Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Lori from Art Lab Designs, and today I wanted to share with you 4 cards that I made using the September 2018 special edition card kit from Simon Says Stamp. Yes, I know it's April of 2019. I'm a little delayed, but I've been doing lots of other things. So anyway, this particular kit was really cute. Is really cute. I think you can still get it actually. For this first card, I used the Gumball Machine stamp and colored it with Prismacolor pencils and used a little Gamsol to blend them out. The paper, the polka dotty paper and the yellow cardstock are both from the kit, and I thought they really set off the Gumball Machine nicely. And then I stamped You're Gumbelievable. That's the other fun thing about this set, is all of the sentiments, for the most part, are punny. And then I used some of the stickers that came with the kit, the little dimensional gumball stickers, to further enhance the card. This particular one is blank inside because I thought if someone buys this one, they could use it as a birthday card or a congratulatory card for a job well done or graduation or something. So I'll customize it if necessary. The next card I did with some ink blending, and I really like the way this turned out. I tried ink blending once before, and it came out absolutely horrible. It looked horrible. But I'd heard a lot of crafters and artists say that blending with the Distress Oxide inks was a dream, so I tried it. And sure enough, it is a dream. I ink blended the background with 3 different blues, and I can't remember which ones, but if you want to know, I will certainly answer your comment below. And then I cut out the pretzels with the die that came with the kit, and ink blended those with 2 shades of brown, and then used a white gel pen to add the salt. And it says, "You're not that old." K-N-O-T. See what I mean? It's so punny. Very cute. And then on the inside, warm birthday wishes with 2 stamped pretzels. And those pretzels have happy faces up at the very top of each pretzel. They're so cute. The next one is muy caliente. It says, "It's not your birthday, is it?" And it's got a taco and a bunch of tortilla chips and a little bowl of guacamole. It's so cute. I like this one. And I put this on like a royal blue / deep violet cardstock that came with the kit. Not really sure what color that is, but it's like a purpley blue. And I used a strip of paper from the kit to accent the front of the card. And then on the inside I stamped "You Guac My World" with green Distress Oxide ink, and then "Happy Birthday." And then finally, the last card I made is "You Dessert the Best." So cute. The paper in the background has ovens and cupcakes and bags of sugar, mixing bowls, rolling pins. It's just adorable. So I used that paper on top of a hot pink card base, and then I stamped the oven and colored him or her with Prismacolor pencils in a soft minty green color, kind of retro 50s, I guess. And then I put a little cinnamon roll in the oven, and I don't know if you can catch it in the light, but I used glossy accents for the oven window so it looks like glass. And then I finished it off with some sequins that came in the kit. And on the inside I stamped "You're Sweet," warm birthday wishes, and another cinnamon roll with a birthday candle, and all of those sentiments and the cinnamon roll, etc., came from the kit. I will probably make more cards with this kit because I just think it's really, really cute, and it's got a lot of possibilities that you haven't even seen here. There's a dill pickle, there is some donuts, I think, and I can't even remember what else, but I just thought it was such a cute kit, and I love puns, so when I saw the punny sentiments, I knew I had to have it. So anyway, If you want a closer look at these cards, you can see them in my Etsy shop, which is www.artlabdesigns.etsy.com. And Artlab Designs is ARTLABDESIGNS. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.